So it's been a minute since I've done a video. I suck at making YouTube videos and I will take that respectfully. But today I felt excited about doing a review about this product that I recently got, and it's a very simple product, but it really changed the game for me. It's not that expensive, furthermore it's inexpensive, but it is just so convenient and it makes my life 10 times easier. So today I want to introduce you guys to the SIRUI. It's called the AM-404FL. This tripod is a life-changing tripod. Well, it's not a tripod, it's a monopod because it only has one leg. So yeah, this monopod really changed my life. For anyone that loves to do like run and gun shooting, this is the ultimate. All right, so basically let me start by telling you a little about its features. It can be extended using three different things. So it goes all the way to the ceiling. All right, so that's one thing. That's the first thing that I love so much about this tripod. Second thing, it is easy, very easy to detach. So just like that, I am shooting handheld, and when I'm done, I just clip it on back and it's back. It's the same thing for the feet. If I want to remove these legs, I can just pull it down, it comes off, and it's back on. So yeah, right now I'm so excited about this tool. I just want to go out and shoot. If I want to pan left and right, all I have to do is turn this lock right here, and then I can now shoot left, pan left and right. And for me, that's very convenient. It's very sturdy. I've used it in windy situations. It's very unlikely that it's gonna fall. Sad story is I accidentally bounced it over once, damaging my friend's lens and kind of damaging the monopod itself. But apart from that, it was my fault. But yeah, I was too casual about shooting. I was using two cameras and I just put one down, but and I accidentally bounced it over because I was just so engaged in like taking pictures. But yeah, I felt the need to share this tripod with you guys because I love shooting cinematic stuff, and sometimes when I'm shooting cinematic I realize that I overuse a gimbal. So what I'm trying to do is use more tripods, and I always hate having to extend the feet of the tripod, or just traveling with tripods can be very annoying. So I decided I'm gonna try a monopod since I love to do more run and gun style stuff. Trust me, this one was amazing. It is amazing, and I recommend it 10 out of 10. The build quality is very firm. The material, I'm not sure if it's aluminum, but I know it's very firm. Let me just check their website right away. So the features that are stated on the website is the tripod extends to 1900 millimeter. It's a 3-in-1 tripod because I keep on saying tripod, it's monopod, guys. Please bear with me. The beauty about this is that I can turn it into like a tabletop tripod. Yes, and I mean tripod this time. So basically, if I remove the feet and remove the top, then I can just add these together, and now we have a tabletop tripod. So yeah, that's very convenient. The quick release system is super cool. It has 360 panning, it has 36 degrees tilting. It's a versatile mini pod. Okay, so it's called a mini pod. Yeah, and it has metal spikes. So I don't know why I need metal spikes, but it has metal spikes. It is the most convenient tool that I've added to my artillery in a long while, and I couldn't wait to share this video, especially since I have not been posting much stuff on my YouTube. Please forgive me for that. I've hit 1910 subscribers as of last night, and I really need to get my watch hours up. I think I have like 1,500 watch hours and I need 4,000 in total. So you guys know what to do. Click some of my videos, watch them. Remember to click the like button and help me get to that 4,000 watch hours so I can start making a living off YouTube and I can quit my day job, which is videography, and focus on content creation. Thank you guys for tuning in once more. Remember to subscribe, remember to click the like button and to click that notification bell. I sound like a vlogger. Ta-da, ta-da. But yeah, do that for me, please. And yeah, if you guys want to purchase one of these, there will be a link in my description, and I would prefer if you use my link because I will get a commission for your purchase. Thank you guys once more, and stay safe, stay blessed, and create content.